Good morning students. I welcome you to the science video session of standard 5. Today we are going to discuss our second unit water lesson. Come on students, let's do the evaluation. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following microorganisms causes waterborne diseases? Option A, bacteria, B, virus, C, protozoa, D, all. So the answer is all. Water is present in huge quantities as vapor and clouds in the A, sky, B, earth, C, atmosphere, D, rain. Answer is atmosphere. Third one. Dash water is free from suspended impurities. A, sea, B, well, C, river, D, underground. Answer is underground water. Fourth. Dash of water is in oceans and seas. A, 97%, B, 87%, C, 47%, D, 77%. Answer is 97%. Dash is an artificial process of converting sea water into fresh water. A, distillation, B, reverse osmosis, C, desalination, D, all of this. C, desalination. Come on students, let's write the answer for fill in the blanks. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. The accumulated underground water comes out in the form of, what is the answer? Spring. S, P, R, I, N, G. Spring. Second one, the process of changing water into water vapor by the heat of the sun is called evaporation. E, V, A, P, O, R, A, T, I, O, N. Evaporation. Rainwater forms streams and dash which join together to form rivers. Answer is springs. S, P, R, I, N, G, S. Springs. Fourth. The process of collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. R, A, I, N. Rain. Water. W, A, T, E, R. Water. Harvesting. H, A, R, V, E, S, T, I, N, G. Harvesting. Fifth, cholera is caused by bacteria. B, A, C, T, E, R, I, A. The bacteria is Vibrio cholerae. V, I, B, R, I, O. Vibrio cholerae. C, H, O, L, E, R, A, E. Cholerae. Third, match the following. Leakage of oil. What is the answer, student? Pollute marine organisms. Reservoir, man-made lake. Distillation, cloud. Rainwater harvesting, plant growth. Swine flu, influenza virus. Water lesson, Phillips. Hailstones are balls of ice. March 22nd is observed as World Water Day. 25% of the world population does not get safe drinking water. Agriculture consumes around 70% of the available fresh water. 3 million people die every year due to waterborne diseases. Hailstones are balls of ice
World Water Day is observed on March 22nd. 25% of the world population does not get safe drinking water. Agriculture consumes 70% of the available fresh water. 3 million people die every year due to waterborne diseases. Come on students, let's learn some of the waterborne diseases and the causative agents. Diarrhea. Causative agent is bacteria and parasites. Dysentery. Causative agent is bacteria. Typhoid fever. Causative agent is bacteria. Cholera. The causative agent is bacteria. Hepatitis A. The causative agent is virus. Hepatitis E, the causative agent is virus. So diarrhea is caused by bacteria and parasite. Dysentery is caused by bacteria. Typhoid fever is caused by bacteria. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Hepatitis A is caused by virus. Hepatitis E is caused by virus. Name of the diseases, causative agents. Dengue fever. Dengue fever is caused by virus. Virus name is flavivirus. Swine flu, H1N1. Swine flu is caused by virus. Virus name is influenza. So dengue fever is caused by flavivirus. Swine flu is caused by influenza virus.
Come on students, let's learn some important words and their meanings.
Personal hygiene. Person hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness. Similar word to hygiene are cleanliness and closeness. Waterborne diseases. Illnesses caused by microorganisms in untreated or contaminated water. Mosquito. Mosquitoes are common flying insects that live in most parts of the world. Over 3,500 types of mosquitoes can be found worldwide. The word mosquito in Spanish and Portuguese for little fly. Prevention. The action of stopping something from happening or arising. What is desalination? Desalination is an artificial process of converting saline water into fresh water. The common desalination processes are distillation, reverse osmosis. Write the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting can reduce flooding in the cities. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil loss. Groundwater level can be increased. Groundwater can be conserved. It can improve plant growth. Write down the sources of water. The following are the sources of water: river water and lake water, sea water, well water, spring water, underground water. What are the processes involved in water cycle? Water cycle consists of the following 4 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, flowing back to oceans. What are reservoirs? Man-made lakes created when dam is built on a river is called reservoir. How can we prevent dengue fever? Spray the house with anti-mosquito spray. Try to wear clothes that cover skin areas. Close the doors and windows during early morning and evening. Do not leave stagnant water anywhere in and around the house. How can we prevent waterborne diseases? Prevention of waterborne diseases. Good personal hygiene should be practiced and basic sanitation should be improved. Chlorinated and boiled water should be used for drinking. Drink boiled or pasteurized milk. Dispose infectious waste properly. What are called waterborne diseases? Illness caused by the microorganisms present in the untreated or contaminated water is called waterborne diseases. Draw the water cycle diagram. Students, you have to draw the water cycle diagram and then you have to mention the 4 processes involved in water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, flowing back to the oceans. Draw the Salmonella bacteria diagram. Students, you have to draw the Salmonella bacteria and then you have to mark the parts. Draw the rainwater harvesting diagram. Students, see the diagram. You have to draw this diagram and then you have to mark the parts.
Thank you, students.